Hello people, and welcome to my channel where I teach you how to forge a steel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the best bodyweight chest exercises for beginners. This one is for those of you that can't do a single regular push-up, or for those that can do only very few reps of them. If you can do 5 or more regular push-ups with good form, then please go to my channel and search for intermediate or advanced chest exercises. And here's a quick preview of what we are going to go through today.
I'm gonna guide you through 2 easier push-up variations that are suitable for beginners. First one is knee push-ups. This one is great because all you need for it is floor, but it still might be a little bit too hard for some to either do it at all or to fatigue muscles sufficiently due to very few reps. So the second one will be elevated push-ups. This one is amazing because it allows you to manage the difficulty by choosing higher or lower surface. A little negative about this one is that you always have to rely on something you can lean on, but that shouldn't be much of an issue as you can always find stuff around, like a desk or this big rock I found on the beach here laying around. Push-up is the best exercise for chest, and these easier variations will help you to get to the proper regular push-up in no time if you follow my instructions, so you can start making some serious gains.
And now, before we jump to exercises, I would like to mention some very important key points that you will have to keep in your mind. Not just regarding this video, but in general. If you want to build a lot of muscles, both with bodyweight exercising or lifting weights. And the first point is go to failure. But what is that? Failure is, in simple terms, when you perform an exercise to the very limit, or in other words, until the point where you physically can't do another rep due to extreme fatigue because of your muscles giving up. Second point is full range of motion. Now, what's that? Full range of motion is essentially when you stretch and contract the muscle that you're trying to train to its full potential. For example, let's take biceps. Full range of motion would be if I extend my elbow to the point where my biceps is maximally stretched and flex my elbow to the point where my biceps is maximally contracted. Third point is we have to have sufficient amount of rest between the sets. What that means is when you finish performing an exercise, we have to rest enough so that we can perform at least 70 to 80% of the reps of our previous set. And since we're training to failure, we have to rest enough. But that doesn't mean that you should abuse that and rest too much. If you can perform same amount of reps as your previous set, you're resting too much. And the fourth one is perfect technique. We have to look out for the perfect technique, especially when we get tired, we tend to cook our technique and cheat as a natural body's response. So we have to be very mindful of that and maintain perfect technique throughout all times. Now I'll jump to exercises. I'm gonna show you correct technique and how to properly execute them. Let's go!
Alright, let's start with the knee push-ups. Place your hands approximately 1 hand width wider than the shoulder width. Rotate your hands inwards a little bit. You should look approximately 45 degrees in front of you. Don't look straight forward or straight down. And most definitely don't do that ugly gooseneck posture. Tuck your chin in and keep it tucked. One good tip on how to avoid gooseneck is when you go down, if your nose or chin reaches the ground before the chest, it means that you're doing that ugly gooseneck. So tuck the chin in while looking approximately 45 degrees in front of you. Make sure to keep your body completely straight. Don't stick your butt up. Also, don't arch your spine. You will most likely tend to want to do one of these, especially when you get tired. Also, don't leave your pelvis up when you are going down with upper body. And don't leave it down when going up. But brace your core and try your very best to keep your body in a straight line all the time. You should bend your elbows approximately 45 degrees when going down and up for the best chest activation and injury avoidance. Also, another important thing is to not spread your elbows too wide. This is a very common mistake, and you shouldn't do it because keeping elbows too wide under the load of push-up can injure those that don't have enough of mobility. Also, don't keep elbows too close to body. There is nothing wrong with that, but it will transfer more load to triceps and take it away from chest. So keep elbows 45 degrees for better chest activation. Don't shrug your shoulders. This is another common mistake that people do. Keep them depressed away from your neck at all times. This point is also very important to follow. Don't protract your scapulas. In other words, don't push shoulders forward. A lot of people on internet will tell you that you should do that. bad, but please don't. Either keep scapulas neutral and locked or retract them, aka pull shoulders backwards and keep them like that. Please avoid partial reps. Do them with full range of motion. If you want better gains and better joint health, go all the way down where your chest is lightly touching the ground and all the way up. Lock the elbows. And once you get strong enough so you can do 10 reps with perfect form on a flat surface, you should add something under your hands so you can go lower with your chest to get that nice deeper pectoral stretch. Don't lean to one hand. This is another important one, as doing so can lead to disbalances and injuries. Try to keep your body straight in the middle between your hands. You should not do regular push-ups if you can't do at least 15 knee push-ups with something under your hands and perfect technique with the deep stretch. If you can do 15 perfect reps, then please go to my channel and search for intermediate chest workout or my ultimate push-up guide. We are moving to the elevated push-ups. Relatively similar rules apply to these, and they are for people that either can't do the knee push-ups at all or can do only very few reps, like 5 to 6 reps, so you can do them after you get tired of knee push-ups to properly fatigue the muscles. Find something sturdy that you can place your hands on to do push-ups, like I found this rock. Keep in mind that the higher the surface is, the easier will push-ups be. So try to pick the height for your level of strength, and that is, you should be able to do 7 to 10 reps to failure. And after some time, when you can do more than 15 reps, with perfect form of course, increase the difficulty by either switching to knee push-ups if you can do them, or find lower surface. As with knee push-ups, space hands a bit wider than the shoulder width, and rotate them a little bit inwards. Elbows should also go at 45 degrees angle to the side when going down and up. Same head position. Look in front of you. Don't lift your head too high or lower it too low. And of course, don't do the gooseneck. Tuck your chin in. Keep your whole body straight, from feet to shoulders. Don't sink with your hips or stick your butt up. And don't leave your hips down as you go up. Also, don't leave them up when going down. Whole body should be straight and move as a plank. And as with knee push-ups, don't forget to keep shoulders depressed. Don't shrug them. Keep them away from the neck. And don't protract scapulas on your way up. Keep them neutral and locked all the time. And of course, go all the way down, chest lightly touching the surface, and all the way up, elbows locked. Get that full range of motion.
And now I want to end this video by saying that consistency is key to success. Everyone can find hour and a half per day, 2 to 3 days per week to crank some push-ups, and in some time, when you look yourself in the mirror and see those pecs popping, you're gonna be damn glad that you stuck with it. Consistency is what separates success from failure, so be on the former side. Don't let laziness rule you. Crush it! Take control over your life and turn it into something beautiful. Only you are responsible for your actions, so make their outcomes in your favor. That being said, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that I made everything clear for you, that you're going to get your pecs popping very soon. If I missed something, please let me know down in the comments. Also, comment below if you want to see any particular content in the future. Like video if you liked it? No. But above all, guys, please share this video so as many people as possible can have access to it. And don't forget to subscribe, not miss any future content, so you too can look like you're carved out of marble.